Hello guys, welcome here to Java Learning Tips. In the last video we have talked about array, and I say that in this video I will show you how to print each element of an array. So let's see here on Eclipse. Let's create an array of int. So int like this to declare an array, the name of our array. I will call it array1. And now let's assign the element of our array. Let's say just 1, 2, 3. So this is an array of 3 elements. And let's see now what happens if I try to print my array in the console like this. So just print the array like this. What will happen? Let's try. And we have this. So what is this? This is the memory address of our array. Okay, so when we declare an array or an object, we have to put this array somewhere in our memories, and this is the memory address where we put our array. Okay, so our array is here in this memory address, but we don't want this. We want to print each element of the array. So we have seen in the last video that we can print an element of the array like this. So 0 to print the first element, that is 1. And if you want to print all the elements of our array, we have to do something like this. So just 1 and 2. And now should be printed all the elements of our array. But let's think together. We have write 3 times the same things, okay? So you remember the for loop? We can now make a practical example of the for loop to print all the elements of our array. So let's see here. So for, that's the key of the for loop. Inside here we have to write the condition, and here the statement that we want to execute. Let's write here inside this bracket the condition. So we have to declare an int that is our index, so E stands for index, and let's say that is 0, because our index should be started from the first element of our array, that is 0. Okay, so now let's say that we want to execute the for loop until the loop will reach the last element of our array. How we can do this? We can say E less than array1 dot length, and here we have to write the increment that we want to do at our I, and here we have to write the statement that we want to execute at each iteration. So we have to write like this, array1 and here I. So let's now explain what this is. So what will happen here? So the index will start from 0, and here he check if 0 is less than our array length, and answer is yes, because 0 is less than 3, because the array length is 3. We have 3 elements, so it will print array of 0, because here the index is equal to 0, and after that increment the 0 by 1. So now this index is 1. 1 is less than 3, yes, so it will execute this, and here it will be 1. So array1 of 1 is 2, and it will print 2. And after that increment by 1. Now the index is 2. 2 is less than 3, the answer is yes, so it will print array of 2 with the third element, and now we'll increment by 1, So 3 is less than 3, no, so the loop will stop here. As you can see here, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a simple way to use the for loop to print all the elements of our array. I hope that you have understand all I have explained in this video. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see in the next video.